everyone, it's Karen here from Be Green Bath & Body, and today I'm here to talk to you about our natural deodorant. Our natural deodorant that I have with me here is one of our most popular products, and it is a fabulous natural deodorant. It's made with arrowroot to absorb oils and also baking soda, some other organic oils and butters, and then some smell-busting essential oils. The one thing to remember about our natural deodorant is that you need to use much less than a conventional product. So with a conventional product, you might see people, going up and down like this with their deodorant and applying several passes. With our natural deodorant, you're just going to twist a little bit up, and then you're gonna do one pass. You're gonna do one pass. This deodorant doesn't have any chemicals in it that make it harder when it's warm out or softer when it's cold out. So you will see the consistency change a little bit with the temperature. If you're in a very warm environment, and that would be 76 degrees or higher, the coconut oil that's in the product melts and it makes it a little softer. So what I like to do is I do my one pass and then I take my hands and I just rub it in. Do a pass, rub it in a little bit like that. You really just need a tiny amount. You don't need a ton of it like you do with a conventional product. Now what do you do in the wintertime when the product hardens a little bit and you live in a cold area like we live outside of Boston and it gets really cold, my bathroom gets cold and my deodorant is much harder. So then what I do in the wintertime is I put it under my arm, I hold it about 5 seconds, the coconut oil melts on contact with my skin, and then I do my one pass. Other side, hold it for 5 seconds, one pass, and you're done. We have a lot of people who have reviewed our deodorant and love it. If you are sensitive to baking soda, however, it's probably not the right deodorant for you. It does cause rashes in people who have super sensitive skin, although we have had people that have sensitive skin say it works great for them too. If you'd like to give it a try, we do have a sample size, which is a little small travel size container. It might be the way to go to see how your skin reacts to it. But I hope you go to the website, you read the reviews, hear what people have to say, and give it a try. Thank you.